Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm going to show you how I cooked baby back ribs in my brand new Crock-Pot Express that my husband gave me early for a Christmas gift. Come on in, let's show you how you do this. Okay, let's start the rub. We're going to use 1 cup of packed brown sugar, some Famous Dave's Country roast chicken seasoning, about a tablespoon, 6 pepper blend. I'm going to go about a teaspoon. Bezel's Cajun seasoning. Now I got this from Papa Texas a while back ago. He did a challenge cooking thing on it, so I will put his link up above in the iCard, so go check out his channel. He's an awesome YouTuber. I'm gonna stick in about maybe 3 tablespoons pepper, cracked black pepper, some sea salt. Now we're going to blend this really well, and then I think I'm going to add a little bit of the Famous Dave's Cajun chicken into it, and a little bit more of the 6 pepper blend. Now this is just to my liking. You can use any rub you choose. Okay, so my husband peeled off the back of
silver skin.
What's it called?
Silver skin.
The silver skin off the back. So make sure you do that so your ribs look like this, and it's to make sure that the seasoning and spices go in there. Okay, so I'm using this measuring cup thing because I won't need all of that rub. And then I'm just going to rub it in. A nice coating. Because I don't want to contaminate the rub, because the rest of the rub I'm going to put in the freezer. And I'm using a sealer bag because I want to seal it all in so I can use my sealer. But my husband said you can just put it in a baggie and it'll work great. Take all the air out. Okay. Rubbing it in like that. Make sure you get all the meat covered and rubbed. Got the ribs laid inside my back bag, nice and layered, and I made sure the back was flipped over so it didn't get all yucky. And we're gonna make sure that's set right. Let's cross our fingers that this works. And I'm gonna put Speed High food. Okay. So now this is all nice and sealed. Look at that. So I'm going to let it sit for, 2 to 4 hours, my husband said, and it can sit overnight. So we're going to do it for a couple hours, and I'll be back when we get ready to put it inside my brand new Crock-Pot Express. So excited to do some yummy ribs. I'm putting it in my Crock-Pot Express. Let's get these ready and down in there. Sorry, I can't push up no higher. I'm using my phone as a flashlight. I've got a couple apple juice. I'm going to put in the bottom. Then I'm going to stick the ribs in there. So it came with this wire rack, and I put the ribs on each side of it. I did add another cup of hot water or water to it because I didn't want it to run it dry. So that's what it looks like. And then get it plugged in. It goes arrow
And then you lock
Okay,
it.
so let's make sure this is in the pressure. The pressure's the first one. Make sure you look at that close, because that'll shut that valve. If it's not, you'll have a bunch of steam come out of there. So this shuts it to pressure. Okay. And let's push this back so you can see. Then we're gonna go meat. We're gonna go 25. And then hit start. And it is now 6:33. Just clicked on to 25 minutes. Yay! And it's 6:38. Okay, it just come down from 7:03. Now I'm gonna wait a few minutes and then I will pressurize it. It's been 12 minutes that I've been trying to let it come down from pressure by itself. So now I'm gonna pull this out this way. See how that is? Trying to do this one-handed. Keep my phone away. So to depressurize, you slide that over there. I'm gonna put something over the top of it so that it doesn't make a mess, and then when that stops steaming, then it's depressurized, and then we can take the ribs out and put them on the pan. So that literally took just a minute. Made sure I could push that, so let's open it up away from us. Yes, it's gonna be hot. I'll put this in the sink. Let's look and see how they look, huh? Can you see? The meat is pulled. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to ruin my camera. Hold on. The meat is pulled away from the bones. They are definitely done and tender. Now we're gonna put them on this pan and barbecue. Okay, they are fall apart. So I'm gonna put some barbecue on these. This is the bottom part. Okay. They are like fall apart off the bones. These are gonna be good, guys. Just saying. Barbecue on the top. Sorry, it's so dark in here. I'm using the KC brand. My favorite's Bullseye. But this is what we had on hand. Now let's get this caramelized. I do got my Wolf conventional toaster oven preheated at 450 because that's how we're gonna caramelize the barbecue sauce. Look at those beauties. Aren't them beautiful? Love it. I put it on broil for exactly 10 minutes, high broil, after the oven was preheated. I think they look amazing. Nice and tender. All right. Let's get it plated up. That is beautiful. Let's get some homemade French fries on there for husband. There. That's what's for dinner tonight. As always, thank you for watching. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.